Non-resident status applies to those working abroad for more than 182 days, who are called as NRI, meaning non-resident of India. If you guys are connected with me for some time, you already know that I moved to the UK 14 years back. So today's video is specifically for all our amazing viewers who have recently taken the exciting leap of becoming non-resident Indians or NRIs like me. Moving abroad is a big adventure, but there are also some important financial and legal steps you need to take to ensure a smooth transition, which I didn't know when I moved here. So in today's video, I will be telling you the top 5 things that you must do once you become an NRI to avoid any legal and financial trouble. But before we do a deep dive, a quick introduction about myself. My name is Sarika and welcome to Your Knowledge Buddy, where I share information related to the UK and other foreign countries so that you can migrate easily. And I have some good news for people who want to study abroad in any of these listed countries. My team can help you free of cost to help you achieve your dream. Irrespective of whether you want to study bachelor's, master's or PhD, make sure to fill the form which is provided in my video description and my team will reach out to you soon. Remember, we are waiting. So let's dive into today's topic by starting with point number 1, which is convert saving account NRO to NRE account. As an NRI, you likely have income from both India and abroad. To manage this effectively, you need 2 special types of bank account. First is NRO account, means non-resident ordinary account. This is perfect for depositing income earned in India like rent from your property or interest on fixed deposits. You can also transfer funds from your NRO account abroad, but there are some limitations on the amount. Second is NRE account, which means non-resident external rupee account, ideal for depositing money earned outside India, like your foreign salary. Funds in your NRE account are fully repatriable, meaning you can easily transfer them back out of India whenever you need. So, how do you change your savings account, which is NRO, into NRE account? Well, in most of the cases, you need to call your bank where you have your savings account and ask them to convert it into NRE account. The bank staff will ask you for certain documents like your work visa or your student visa or your proof of your address in the country you are in. After you provide these documents, they will convert your savings account into an NRE account for you. Moving to point number 2, buy life insurance or term insurance. Before I talk about this, have you ever thought about why many Indians move to other countries? Well, there are lots of reasons. A better life, better work culture, more money and exposure to the world. But if I had to sum it up in one word, it would be family. People move abroad to give their families a better and more stable life. But no matter where you are, it's important to be prepared for the unexpected. That's why I always suggest having life insurance or term insurance. It's a way to make sure that if something bad happens, your family will be safe and protected financially. Now, let's first understand the difference between life insurance and term insurance. Life insurance provides coverage for your entire lifetime. If you pass away at any point while the policy is active, your beneficiary will receive a death benefit. And in case if you survive the policy, then you will receive the amount you had paid after deductions. Now, term insurance offers coverage for a specific period like 30, 50 or 80. If you die within that term, your beneficiary gets the death benefit. If you outlive the term, the policy expires and no money is paid out. But this is the most affordable form of life insurance. Adi and I were confused and didn't know which one to opt. But after our research, we opted for term insurance from Policy Bazaar because we found it's more suitable for us. But let me share you what we found. Number 1, research shows that NRIs aged 18 to 60 are purchasing term insurance to secure their families or dependents. We opted for Policy Bazaar due to their worldwide coverage, affordability, 45 days cancellation policy, large life cover at low premium and claim settlement ratio. Second, the report also suggests that term insurance in India is available at 30 to 50% lower premiums when compared to other countries. Number 3, the term plans in India allow cover for longer periods, even up to whole life, that is 99 years, which we didn't find in the UK as we saw it was restricted to to max 30 to 40 years. Number 4, on Policy Bazaar, you can add riders, meaning you can add-ons on your base policy like accidental death coverage, critical illness, add your children, partner, etc. Number 5, we also found flexible payment options which are good as compared to other companies like monthly, annually, or even a 6 months payment option. Number 6, most important point, tax benefits for NRI. NRIs are eligible for exemption from paying GST upon buying term insurance plans from India. This is because most NRIs have income tax liability in the foreign country where they reside and did not pay the tax again in India. Number 7, availability of GST waiver for NRIs when purchasing using our NRI accounts allows for additional discount of 18% and alongside nodal discount of up to 5% on paying on annual mode allows for a further upfront savings of up to 23% on annual premiums to NRIs. So these are my 7 reasons to use term insurance from Policy Bazaar. So if you want to also buy the same policy from them, you can click the link provided in my description and pinned comment. However, I'll still suggest you to do your research because my needs can be different to yours. Now, moving to point number 3, which is about updating your PAN card status to indicate non-residential status. Your PAN card is like your financial passport in India. Since you are now an NRI, you need to inform the Indian Income Tax Department about your change in residential status. This involves updating your PAN card to reflect your NRI status. Luckily, the process can be done online. This will ensure that the Income Tax Department is aware of the change in status and the individual does not receive a notice. Point number 4, stop contributing to PPF but maintain balance and file your income tax return for the year you become a non-resident. The Public Provident Fund PPF is a popular investment option in India. However, as an NRI, you can no longer contribute your PPF account. But here's the good news. You can absolutely keep your existing PPF account active. It will continue to mature and earn interest. And you will be able to access the funds when they mature or even earlier under special circumstances. You can take out your PPF money if you need it, just like I did when I needed money quickly. All you have to do is get in touch with or visit the PPF website. Then fill out the withdrawal form with your information and ask for the money you need. Even as an NRI, you might still be liable to pay taxes in India on income you earn there. So for the year you become an NRI, you will need to file an income tax return in India to declare your income and avoid any penalties. Now moving to last point, which is point number 5. Register a power of attorney. Personally, I was facing issues in managing things back home. So I gave my power of attorney to my dad to sign important government document on my behalf, like signing my rent agreement of my flat, buying and purchasing of property, etc. So from my experience, I will definitely recommend you should also appoint a trustworthy power of attorney POA for yourself. This allows your chosen person, a friend, family member or professional to handle smaller tasks on your behalf in India, like my dad did for me. Thanks, Dad. So that wraps up our list of top 5 things NRIs should do. Remember to consult financial experts and explore opportunities that align with your goals. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Don't forget to check the link in my description.
Thanks for watching my video till the end and I'll see you guys soon with my next video. Till then, keep learning.